Imagine having an AI agent that instantly answers questions from your own knowledge base powered by Python, Pydantic AI, and FastAPI. Today, let's build this together, step by step. Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a retrieval-augmented generation, or RAGE agent from scratch. We'll show you how Pydantic AI can validate data seamlessly and leverage FastAPI to build a user-friendly web interface. Together, we'll integrate a vector store, manage intelligent data flow, and share best practices for robust production deployment. Whether you're a Python developer, ML engineer, or AI enthusiast, you'll leave with practical skills you can use right away. Let's start by exploring what retrieval-augmented generation is and why it matters. RAG enhances language models by allowing them to pull in relevant knowledge from external sources, dramatically improving accuracy. We'll set up Pydantic AI and FastAPI for our web interface, then configure PostgreSQL with vector search. We'll design our schema to store document chunks alongside their high-dimensional embeddings, so every user query retrieves the perfect snippet, fast. Ingesting documents is our next step. We'll use Python to break down PDFs into concise, overlapping chunks to preserve context. With OpenAI's embedding API, each chunk is transformed into a vector and stored in our database with relevant metadata. Pydantic AI ensures reliable, clean data every step of the way, giving you confidence no matter how much your data grows. Thanks for joining today. With Pydantic AI and FastAPI, your AI agents can be smarter, faster, and ready for the real world. What use case would you build first? Let me know in the comments and see you in the next tutorial. The glue for all this is our FastAPI server, handling uploads